कुछ दिन पहले मैंने एक पोस्ट की लिंक्डइन पर एंड पूछा ऑडियंस को कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द बेस्ट वे टू स्टार्ट अ प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, स्टार्टअप, जॉब या फ्रीलांसिंग। एंड ये थे आपके आंसर्स। एंड ऑल्सो वी आस्क्ड द सेम इन अ कम्युनिटी एंड आपने ये आंसर्स दिए। हमने ये समझा कि आपके पास इस क्वेश्चन का क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि फ्रीलांसिंग करे या कंपनी बिल्ड करे। एंड दैट्स व्हाई हमने एक साइड पर अली सोलंकी को बिठाया, हु इज अ फ्रीलांसर, एंड एक साइड आयुष पंचमिया को बिठाया, यस मुझे ही, who is running a full-fledged startup Blockly with having 15 team members, and एक set of questions बनाए जो दोनों को पूछे गए regarding finance, regarding day in a life, regarding how much they make every month, everything. So yes, this is 22nd episode of The Art of Money, which is freelancer versus company owner. Starting the episode in 3, 2, 1, go.
तो चलो, let's go.
Yes, it's good.
Acha, day look like. So when it comes to my day, it's pretty unplanned because I'm not really sure. Like I'm not working in a job or a fixed 9 to 5 setting. So it's really unsure. It is planned a day before I sleep. So yeah, that's how my day generally goes like. But if I have to tell you about yesterday, then it would be like waking up at 10, taking up client calls, meetings, and then started working on my existing clients, and then go to the gym, and yeah, that's how it goes.
Okay, for me it's more of like I woke up at 10. It's a fixed schedule, to be honest. Yeah, it's a fixed schedule. So it started at 10 or 10:30 around. I do that's where my team meeting happens. Then after that मेरा पूरा दिन ऐसा होता है कि I work on the business side of the company. So I do client calls and everything. But more of then after that evening snacks because office आना होता है. So till 1 I come to this office and then फिर 1 के बाद I took 2 sessions to cover up everything. Task list बना हुआ होता है. Everything is all set. I think 3-4 दिन का task list. Every day task list बदलता है. But more of 2-3 दिन same ही होता है. Then after that till 7:38 मेरा दिन खत्म होता है. Then I work on this art of money which we are doing. Then I think around 3 in the or I think 2 at night it ended. Yeah, that's how a day in a company owner look like. Yeah.
How much do I earn out of it? Usually my profit percentage is around 80 to 90%. So yeah, around that much because I don't have a lot of expenses.
Yeah, for me it's more of like it changes from client to client. But right now I think a profit margin is around 20-30% because more of our money goes into employing and everything. So you can say 20-30%, and that 20-30% when combines, I think it also goes. It also divides into a lot of different things because profit may you have to go to events, you have to divide it for founders' salary and everything. So that's how it gets divided. Yeah.
For a freelancer, there's no salary, so like I can't pinpoint to a particular number, but I'm pretty sure he can.
Okay, give me a range at least.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, I can't pinpoint to a number, right?
अच्छा, okay, give me something at least. Give us little bit of clarity on that.
Clarity, okay. I'll start with where I came from. So in my first day, I think you knew me, right? So he has seen me grow right from that person who didn't earn anything as a freelancer, started making a few clients, 1-2 clients idhar udhar, and then went to this point. So yeah, I think he knows, but
we have a special video on that on our YouTube channel itself.
वो देखो, plug करो.
Yes. For us, the financial year ended with, I think, because in first year we didn't make much of money, but you can say around 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. But now this year, I think we are projecting more.
IT rate.
But this year we are planning to, I think, get more than to hit 1 crore plus, maybe. But it's a revenue. It's not us.
20-30% profit margin he has mentioned. So calculate karo.
No, so I think that's what we are aiming for. We are not done. अरे हम तो प्लान कर ज़्यादा हो जाए तो मज़ा आए, तो कोशिश जारी है.
So skills First of all, the most important one for me is a soft skill. It's like communication with my clients. That's the most important one. Apart from that, skills such as knowing which client we need to say yes to and which client we need to say no to. That is another skill. ये सब soft skills है. I know it's sounding like यहाँ पे hard skills क्या है, but then these soft skills, if we look into it, it's very important. And when I try to replace myself with someone else and make a business out of it, it's very difficult to find someone. So they have hard skills, they don't have these soft skills. Hard skills it'll be tech related, so coding, I daily code, so yeah, that's one of the most important one. Apart from that, I think knowing trends and virality factor, knowing the patterns, this is very important because that's how I get most of my clients. So yeah, these are the bunch of skills.
Yeah, what about tools? Any tools which you use on a daily basis?
Tools, most important one, when we get our clients in, we send them a Calendly link. So Calendly, that's the first most important tool. Google Calendar comes with it. Apart from that, once we have the client, it depends on what type of a client they are. So say for example, they prefer communication on WhatsApp, we use WhatsApp. They prefer communication on Slack, we use Slack. So yeah, different tools depending on the needs of the clients, and that's how it goes.
Wow, perfect. For me, I think skills is again soft skills because I'm leading the business side of it. So soft skill is something communication. It matters a lot how you talk to. Next thing is sales. I don't think so. Sales, is it a hard skill or is it a soft skill?
I think it's a soft.
It's soft skill, right? So sales is something which is from my end. Next thing is decision making. It's like because as a CEO you have to take a lot of decisions on a daily basis. So we do that. I don't need any kind of major hard skill कि मुझे coding आता हो या मुझे ये सब आता हो या मुझे social media management आता हो. But as I am doing this art of money, मैं काफ़ी सीखते रहता हूँ, तो I can guide team. But I don't have to post, I don't have to do anything. So that's it. For the tools, Google Calendar, one of the most important. पूरा दिन उस पर बनता है, पूरा schedule हो जाता है. Next thing is Calendly again. I think I use Notion as one of the most important because मेरा पूरा sales proposal से लेके everything I create it on Notion. So I think these are the 3 tools. I'm pretty much sure कि इसमें ही पूरा दिन या मेरे most of the काम हो जाते हैं. So covered, but बाकी other than मुझे कोई ऐसे specialized tools का ज़रूरत पड़ता नहीं है. So I think that's it.
Misconceptions about freelancers is that they cannot have stable income. I think that's a really big misconception. They can have a stable income if they have contracts which are like 1 or 2 years long with clients. They have good clients first of all. All of these things matter a lot, and that's how you form a stable source of income. Of course, there is risk to it, but if you compare it and say that the risk in jobs is less as compared to freelancers, I don't agree to that at all. So yeah, that's a major misconception.
As a company owner, the major misconception is that if we are making 1 crore on thumbnail, we get to know that it's 1 crore. He's earning 12 lakhs a month and everything. I just recently got interviewed on one of the pages and उसके thumbnail पे 12 लाख रुपए लिखा हुआ है और लोग मेरे को टेक्स्ट करे भाई 12 लाख कमाते हैं. हमारा एक PR आर्टिकल भी हम लोग रोल आउट हुआ था स्वाइप मनी पर. $15,000 लिखा है एवरी मंथ. आज तक मैं हॉस्टल में वही सुनता हूँ कि $15,000 is the amount which you are making. That is not true, guys. We are not making. I am on an individual level not making $15,000.
But honestly, like seeing him talk about this openly, that's very good.
So that's one of the misconception that हम जो देखते हैं बड़े कंपनी owners के, that's revenue. That is not the individual amount of money they're making. We are taking salaries, so it's more of like that. Next misconception is that he cleared it on the day we were there in taxi. In Bangalore. No, in Bangalore for the first time. So one misconception is that you cannot achieve the growth. मतलब एक misconception ऐसा है कि उनको लगता है कि कंपनी बिल्ड करने को बहुत टाइम लगता है. So you only told me that one day कि क्यों नहीं कर सकते, तू कर सकता है, आराम से कर सकता है. You can achieve the numbers and we can do that. That is not a problem. 1 crore बनाना at that point of time तो मुझे लगता था कि it's a 3-4 years game. कंपनी बिल्ड करना, एम्प्लॉइज हायर करो, ये सब कुछ करना, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. यू कैन बिल्ड इट. सो आई थिंक दिस आर 2 misconceptions.
I think I've seen you grow to a large extent, bro. मतलब सही है यार, मजा आता है देखो देख के.
Thanks a lot, man. But he's one of the person who helped me a lot. हाँ, मतलब ये भी है, ऐसा नहीं है, सभी है। उधर से आके चल रही है।
Change one thing about my work is my sleep schedule, because I think getting foreign clients, one good thing is that you get paid in dollars, but your sleep also goes to a toss. Yeah. So US का टाइमिंग ही हो जाता है, एंड फिर यहाँ पर सुबह उठो तो मम्मी के लिए तो इंडियन टाइमिंग ही चाहिए। सोने का टाइम ही नहीं रहता है। सो आई थिंक दैट इज वन थिंग दैट आई कुड, इफ आई कुड चेंज, आई वुड।
So you mean like, okay, for me, one thing which I can change is, then there is nothing which I can change, to be honest, in the company. What मैं क्या ही change करूँ, सब कुछ अगर it's like, because मैं कुछ भी change कर दूंगा तो सब हिल जाएगा इधर। So because I am not the only one who is managing everything, but one thing, हाँ चलो सब I have the answer. अगर मुझे कुछ change करना है, so I'll change कि hiring जो है वो आसान हो जाए in the company life. So because देखा है हमने कि in our company as well, and there are a lot of tools, lot of other companies also who can help you out to hire, recruitment, but the process is very difficult. Filtering out people is, and to choose the right people at the right time for your for the right with the right approach. I think that's it. So I think that is one thing which I'll change.
3 mistakes freelancers make. Okay, first of all, thinking that freelancing is going to be really easy and getting clients in is going to be easy. It's not. That's the first major mistake, I would say. Second mistake, it's not even the first one was not a mistake actually, but second mistake I would say is trying to scale up even before hitting the 5 clients mark. So I would really suggest to have stable clients first and then try to scale up to more than 5 clients. The last mistake is not to promote yourself and be active on social media. That's the biggest mistake and you're losing out on a lot of clients. So yeah, 3 mistakes.
Wow, that's a good answer. For me, it's for a company owner, I think one mistake that most of the company owners make is they hire way more before than before their, so point is पैसा आने के पहले ही hire हो जाते हैं. So that is one thing which हमने भी बहुत बड़ी mistake करी थी, बहुत बार ऐसी करी, एक बार नहीं 3-4 बार की है. Then we realized that this is not a good mistake. पहले पैसा आने दो, then decide कि okay now we have money, let's do that. Again, it's a very hard approach because तुम ढूंढोगे कैसे. Not every business runs like that, but I think पैसा आने के पहले ही लोग hire कर लेते हैं. Next thing कि कंपनी के जो फाउंडर्स है उनमें उन लोगों में बॉन्डिंग सही नहीं होता है. मतलब दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस 3 मे बी इफ देयर आर 3 co-founders, सो वो लोग एक दूसरे को अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करते. इट्स लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम राइट नाउ शूटिंग कंटेंट विथ यू, सो लुआई एंड भूषण आर वर्किंग, सो दे आर नॉट टेलिंग मी कि ओके आई नो आयुष इज नॉट वर्किंग, सो दे आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. But again, that is where I will also be very honest with them, because जब अभी मैं घर जाऊँगा, so I'll work on blogging. So I think that is the second one. Third thing is, it's like they don't give value to accounts, finances. They don't because पैसा for example अगर आ जाता है कंपनी में, जो भी काम चल रहा है, they keep accounts and finances discussion में भी, everything around finance they keep it at a later stages. They think that first is to build it, but I think keeping finances and targets at the right stage at the right time, it's very important. That helps you. I think these are 3 mistakes. Yeah.
मैंने काउंट नहीं किया, 3 हो गए.
3 हो गए.
बहुत अच्छे थे पर
मेरे को नहीं समझा.
For freelancers?
Yeah. Any superpower?
Any superpower? कि मुझे सोने की जरूरत ना पड़े.
भाई
सॉर्ट हो जाता, मतलब रात को भी काम कर सकते हो, दिन को भी काम कर सकते हो, मजे के लिए खुद के लिए टाइम भी है. एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड. इफ आई गेट दैट वन सुपर पावर, इट विल बी दिस.
ओके, फॉर मी आई थिंक सुपर पावर विल बी कि मैं जिससे भी बात करूँ वो कन्वर्ट हो जाए. सो अगर सो अगर ऐसा होता है कि मैं जिससे भी टेक्स्ट करूँ, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ पावर वेयर जो भी मुझे टेक्स्ट करेगा या मैं जिसके भी टेक्स्ट करूँ वो मुझे रिप्लाई कर दे। रिप्लाई कर दे। रिप्लाई मतलब मुझसे बात कर ले। अगर ये मेरे पास होता सुपर पावर तो फाड़ देते हम, कहाँ के कहाँ पहुंच जाते हैं।
फाइंड योर ओन पाथ, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन आई थिंक। एंड इसमें हम लोग बहुत फंस जाते हैं कि सीखते रहते एंड कभी इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करते। सो इम्प्लीमेंट फर्स्ट, तुम खुद से सीखो, एक्सपीरियंस से सीखो, रादर देन मी टेलिंग यू कि ये सब चीज़ें वर्क करती है या ये सब होता है। आप खुद मिस्टेक्स करो एंड देन लर्न फ्रॉम इट। सो या दैट्स,
आई थिंक इट्स द सेम फॉर कंपनी ओनर्स एज वेल, बट मोर ऑफ इट्स लाइक वेरी क्लियर कि योर जर्नी इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट देन समवन जिसको आप देख कर सोच रहे हो कि मैं भी ऐसी कंपनी बना लूँगा। सो जो उन्होंने डिसीजंस लिए, हाँ उनकी गलतियों से सीख सकते हो, बट तुम्हारा जर्नी में वो सेम गलती को यूज करके शायद तुम ग्रो करो, बट शायद देयर इज एवरीथिंग शायद हियर। सो देयर इज नथिंग 100% श्योर कि ये ऐसा चलेगा, या देयर इज नो सच पैटर्न्स। योर जर्नी इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट। समवन जिसका वीडियोस देख रहे हो उसका जर्नी अलग है, अली का जर्नी अलग है, मेरा जर्नी अलग है, सबका जर्नी अलग है। सो तुम्हारा जर्नी तुम फिगर आउट करो।
यस, बट ये वीडियो देखो क्योंकि तुम्हें एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा।
सो आई थिंक आई कैन गिव द फाइनल। मैं ऐसे ही, एक सेकंड को, हम ऐसे ही वीडियो को खत्म करेंगे।
हाँ,
अभी ऐसे खत्म करेंगे वीडियो को। सो ओके गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग दिस एपिसोड। Ali bhai, I hope you enjoyed this session.
Too much.
Enjoyed it too much. Okay guys, so do join our community as well. वहाँ पे Ali already है, and और ऐसे वीडियोस अगर चाहिए तुम्हें वर्सेस वाले, this is just experiment जो हमने किया, freelancers versus company owners. So if you guys are interested,
सारे experiments ना मुझे बुला के पहले
सारे experiments
भाई पॉडकास्ट कर देखते कैसा चलता है। भाई सही है इसका।
तो अभी क्रेडिबल बंदा इतना साथ बैठे हो तो हम बुलाएंगे नहीं क्या भाई? हाँ फिर, but that's it guys, you do let us know अगर तुम्हें मजा आया ऐसे और वीडियोस देखने को, and do check out अली सोलंकी's YouTube channel। बहुत जल्दी और वीडियोस आएंगे। check out इम्बूजी, वो हमने बात ही नहीं की, बट एक स्पेशल एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड किया था इसके ऊपर, so go check it out। These guys are doing pretty good। अगर कोई ड्रॉप हो गए तो हम नीचे शायद मेंशन कर देंगे।
Done।
Some website or something is already there। So that's it guys। मुझे जरूर बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में कि क्या हमें और ऐसे वीडियोस करने चाहिए, वर्सेस तुम बताओ कि हमें किन IAS वर्सेस या समथिंग ऐसा कुछ बनाना है। So do let us know, and thank you so much guys for joining us today।